Looking for piston fit accuracy even when working on larger projects? Then you need Woodpeckers BigCal 12 and 24-inch woodworking calipers. Lock in dead accurate measurements in seconds with Woodpeckers BigCal Woodworking Calipers. BigCal's jaws align perfectly between the inside and outside references. This means you can transfer critical dimensions without ever even looking at the scale. Whether you need a rough measurement at the start of your project or a critical dimension on something that's hard to measure, BigCal delivers machinist-style measurement even on larger projects. We make BigCal in two sizes, 12 inches and 24. We engrave the stainless steel blade with both 1/32 and 1 mm scales. Turn BigCal over and you'll find scales starting at the other end, allowing you to take depth measurements. And the scribing notch allows you to transfer that dimension precisely without ever even reading the scale. Our customers loved BigCal so much when it launched earlier this year, we now offer accessories that let your BigCal woodworking calipers do even more. The T-head attachment gives you greater reference when gauging depth or transferring dimensions. And the center attachment lets you measure exact hole centers with self-centering heads that precisely align with BigCal's jaws. Like all Woodpeckers products, each BigCal woodworking caliper is made right here in Strongsville, Ohio, carefully assembled and inspected by our team and shipped directly to your shop. Measure like a machinist, even when you're working on bigger projects. Order your BigCal today.